Arturia just unveiled the Polybrute 12, boasting it as the ultimate expression machine for musicians. This new synth packs a powerful 12-voice architecture alongside groundbreaking features like the FullTouch MPE keyboard, the versatile Morphee pad, and a ribbon controller. But can the Polybrute 12 truly live up to the title of most expressive synthesizer ever? Join us as we dive deep into Arturia's latest creation. The Polybrute 12 is a beast in terms of build. It's big, heavy, and constructed with a level of craftsmanship that commands respect. The striking red glow under its grates not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also keeps the synth cool in a uniquely fanless design. With a body made of metal and wood, along with high-quality buttons, knobs, and faders, the Polybrute 12 is built to last and impress. Navigating the vast sonic landscape of the Polybrute 12 is made easy thanks to its intuitive interface. The synth features a tactile control panel that provides immediate access to all essential parameters, allowing users to tweak and fine-tune their sound with precision and ease. The inclusion of the Morphee controller adds an extra dimension to the Polybrute 12's interface, enabling users to morph between different sound states seamlessly. This feature opens up new avenues for experimentation and live performance, making the Polybrute 12 a versatile tool for musicians of all genres. At the heart of any synth are its filters and oscillators, and the Polybrute 12 shines brightly in this area. It houses two filters, a Steiner-Parker filter known for its brute character, and a ladder filter for that classic sound. The two oscillators generate essential waveforms with precision, complemented by a versatile noise generator for textural richness. The synth's 480 stunning presets, designed by top sound designers, span a multitude of genres and musical timbres. Each preset is composed of two distinct states, allowing you to morph between an infinite spectrum of sound. The Polybrute 12's patented FullTouch keyboard is a game-changer. It provides the exact position of every key across the entire range of movement, enabling absolute precision when playing and infinitely dynamic expressive play. This versatility puts the Polybrute 12 at the forefront of modern analog synths. The keyboard offers 3 aftertouch modes, allowing you to switch between regular playing modes and insanely expressive composition at the touch of a button. One of the standout features of the Polybrute 12 is the FullTouch MPE. This innovative technology allows for unparalleled expression, enabling you to shape sound from the lightest touch to the deepest press of a key. Coupled with a FullTouch envelope feature, it adjusts the envelopes based on how you press the keys, opening up new dimensions of sound manipulation. The Morph pad and wooden ribbon controller further extend the Polybrute 12's expressive capabilities. These controls allow for real-time sound shaping in a way that's both intuitive and deeply customizable. Whether you're assigning the ribbon to various parameters or changing its behavior, these features make the Polybrute 12 a playground for creativity. With 3 LFOs at your disposal, the Polybrute 12 offers extensive modulation options to animate your sounds. The frequency envelope shapes the cutoff frequency of the filter, adding another layer of control over the synth's sonic character. The effects section of the Polybrute 12 is nothing short of impressive. From the stereo knob to dedicated controls for delay and reverb, and a suite of effects including chorus, phaser, flanger, and more, it equips you with everything needed to finalize your sound within the synth itself. The motion recorder captures the movement of controls, adding a dynamic element to performances. Combined with a built-in arpeggiator and sequencer, the Polybrute 12 facilitates complex rhythms and patterns, enriching your musical creations. For those who like to integrate hardware with their digital workflow, the Polybrute Connect software is a game-changer. It mirrors the hardware synth on your computer, allowing for seamless integration with your digital audio workstation and enabling you to manage patches and presets effortlessly. The Arturia Polybrute 12 is a synthesizer that redefines what is possible in the world of analog synthesis. With its unparalleled sound design capabilities, intuitive interface, and endless inspiration, the Polybrute 12 is a must-have tool for any musician looking to elevate their sonic creations to new heights. Yes, it comes with a hefty price tag of $3,999, but for those who demand the best, the Polybrute 12 delivers in spades. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding enthusiast, the Polybrute 12 offers a world of possibilities waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.